Welcome to my Makers channel and another episode about working with Fusion 360. Hey guys, this video is about the creation of the fantasy football hand with the football. It will be a pretty short one, and I hope you guys gonna enjoy it. Okay guys, let's jump in. First we need to import the model himself, so I just downloaded something from GrabCAD. Yeah, so let's open the drawing. So the computer, it is just here, simply robotic hand. And there it is. First step will be to create some offset planes, maybe like middle planes, for separating the fingers. That's the first one. Again, the second one. Okay. 3 times separation. And also the thumb needs to be separated. For this we're gonna make a plane, struck through 3 points. Okay, so with this we're gonna separate the fingers. There we have the split face, and we take, we need to split body, not split face, so we're gonna split this body along the tool. The tool will be our plane. So let's check. Okay, and we should have a new body, and the new body is just a finger. We need a little bit more about that, but for this maybe later. We're gonna handle this later. And the same thing for the second body. Back end. Just do the split body operation again. Select the body first and two tools out. So splitting, and cutting on construction plane. So this one makes more sense. Let's use this one too. Makes more sense to finish together. Same thing for the others. Split body, select 2 plane, okay. Then split body, 2 plane. This object is against that plane, okay. And now we have hand. Separated. Okay, basically we could go on and also separate all the joints for the fingers, but that will end up with a lot of stuff. So for this model we just need a hand like this. So here's the football. We want to create like a fantasy football model. That's the football himself. We're gonna import basically import the hand to the football. You can also do it otherwise, but that's where I'm going to do it. So just mark all of them, and with a shortcut Control Z and Control V, we can just okay, cool. So is the thumb needs definitely to move a little bit outside. So this hand should grab. Should look like it's grabbing the football. Okay, so that's it. Okay, football. Move it to. That's kind of an odd thing for it's had to be bigger, I don't know, but that's close. Legit. Pretty close. I'll try a bit. I think now you get the idea what I want to move on for us. So yeah. Okay, let's. And this one has to go. The midpoint of this exercise sometimes. Gain. A second. Go. I just want to. Midpoint. Just a second. It looked like. I mean, my pressing shift was just really awkward. You have something like finding a midpoint or something. Maybe depending on this. But. Whatever. Belly. That's it. Okay. This one's good. This one has to go out a little bit. So. Let's see. It is definitely good. One thing about it. Okay, let's do this in one function. Okay. Not the phase, but a moving points. So like I saw, there were some support points we had not before. What I do? Just select the bottom side. A small intersection, slight intersection with a surface. Looks not bad, huh? For the first 4 things. Okay, let's take this bad boy. Still the inside of the mess up, because that's what I have. And okay. It is not pressing anything, it's just moving around, and hopefully it is liking that. And while you're moving around, you get the snap points. That looks not bad. That looks not bad, huh? Come on. Oh my god. Love it. I love it. Okay, and let's do the whole thing. It looks not bad, I would say. No. We are recording. We are recording sometime after. So, let me think about this. I guess we're going to need something. So, yeah, so we don't need like a little bit of a forearm. Like a wrist. To the model, which I took was grab that. So, and also, I'm not making any of this. So, I'm not violating walls. So, that's next to this. Let's check the hand. Okay. Yeah. Let's say it looks not bad. Yeah, we definitely need that mounting or something. Okay, that's good. So now we have this bad boy. Now we want to combine the hand and the football. So for this we have the Boolean operation. This one, and we can select all the bodies we want to combine. So this is basically the opposite what we did before. with the segmentation, separation, and slicing. And when Fusion is done with the calculation, like it is now, we can join it. Takes a bit. Okay, guys, it took me a while. I had to do a hack basically. So now you can see it's all one body. The hack, what I had to do was to combine all parts together. Extruded one of the shapes here, for example, like this. You know, extrude and pushed it up. It takes a while for the calculation because the whole thing has a lot of shapes, and normally it will always jump to cut, but you can move it to joint, switch it to joint, and then you can see it will join together. So now let's take this part. Select it, copy it, and put it inside here. You saw I tried different kind of things. So here we have the complete slice and prepared model of the Titan. Let's insert our football with a hand. Take a little bit, and it will be definitely too big. First, let us resize it, scale it down to a tenth, so 0.1. We'll take a little bit of calculation time. And there it is. So I don't have this part to here. So just do it. Yeah. I don't know what it is. We have like a lot of RAM. Like 20 GB RAMs, and it's a pretty good CPU. So I'm not sure what it is. I'm doing this too many today. So the scale is a little bit small, I would say. The orientation is okay. Yeah, so let's size it. And I will combine it with Axis 6.5, which is this one, so Axis 6 is already combined with Axis 5. So let's do the scaling of this boy again. Say 2. Zoom out a bit. So let's move it again. From the back, I would say we could scale it up a little bit more. What do you say? Could be a bit more. 10%? Yeah. Let's scale it up just a bit, I would say let's do 10%. Let's see what happens. Yes, ma'am. Okay, we have the snapping point in front. So move it here. I would say we turn it a little bit. Delay, delay, delay. It's a little bit too much. Halfway. Yeah, let's do it like this. And move to the current coordinate system. Yeah. And yes. Yes. Just a little bit. Okay. I think that looks good. Oh, this is exciting. This is exciting. Okay. Let's keep this position. Okay, dude. It's done with calculating. So now we need to combine together. So like I said, axis 6 and 5 with the hand and the ball. So let's do the Boolean operation. And select this one. Okay. So we have definitely intersection because the wrist of the hand is inside, and it worked. Finally, it worked. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like that kind of stuff, make a thumb up and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And I hope I'm gonna see you in the next video.